So you get the burrito, bowl.
That's really good.
3 proteins and 12 extras.
That's a crazy deal. Let's check it out. Hi. Yeah. All right, we're here at Tai Chi Bubble Tea, and we also ordered some ramen. And take a look at that.
Bubble tea. It's just,
It says bubble tea right there. It says right there.
yeah, but this, it's the food. The
What does it say?
It's not called bubble tea. It's,
Irene says it's not called bubble tea. I don't know.
it just happens to sell bubble tea.
Well, it has Chinese food, bubble tea, poke bowl, ramen, a whole bunch of stuff here. So anyway, Irene got the black tea lychee with no bubbles. I got honeydew milk tea with.
It has bubble tea, right?
Oh, those, yeah, she got bubbles.
It can be bubble.
And then I got the lychee popping bubbles, right?
It's lychee, not lychee.
It's lychee. I don't know. All right. So we're waiting for our food. We're gonna try some of the bubble tea. Ready? It's on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. It's basic milk tea. Nothing crazy. Enjoyable. All right, Irene, let's go. What does Irene say? It's good? Yeah? What do you like about it?
It's not sweet.
Yeah, this one I got less sugar anyway.
I didn't mention any sugar at all.
Oh, maybe that's why. I should have just left it as is.
I did.
You hungry? All right, I'm gonna try the lychee black tea. Actually, that's pretty good. It almost tastes like sweet lemon tea, but lychee with it.
No lemon tea.
Let me try the bubbles. Tapioca bubbles. No chewy. Good. I got the popping bubbles with this one. Good deal, right? I'll go.
Yeah. So I got the tonkatsu space with pork ramen. Looks like there's a mushroom in here, some bamboo shoots, scallions, the egg. Irene got is it the booze delight or vegetable delight? Vegetable delight.
Oh, very nice. The soup is actually tasty. Have a little bit of smokiness in the broth. Taste it. It's really good. It's good, right?
Because it's hot.
Let's see these ramen. See if these ramen is good. Let's try this. See how it goes. Noodles are not bad. They're firm, not too mushy.
Is it freshly made?
I want to say it's not freshly made.
Is that a hand pulled? I mean,
I don't think it's hand pulled or made, but it tastes good.
we have bamboo shoots.
Oh, here's bamboo shoots right here. Have bamboo shoots. Try some of the pork. Pork looks halfway decent, right? You like that? You're good. You taste the marinade on the pork. The fat is good. Yeah. Got some scallions in here. Could be a little bit hotter. That's what I would like. Here's this mushroom here. Yeah, because I like the eggs a little bit more soft boiled. Let's see how this goes. Basic soft boiled egg. Could have been used a little bit more softer, but still good. So this one happening $12.99. Irene's lunch special is $5.90, $5.65. That's a really good deal. It comes with a pint of rice. Yeah, I think $12.99 for this ramen compared to I think Slurp and Pork Chop. I think this would be better seller if it was $10.99. That's my opinion. Overall, I'm going to say we're going to come here again, right? Yeah. Irene says the same thing. Want to say? You want to get on camera? Yeah. You gonna say it? Say it. We're going to be on. No. All right. All right. I didn't catch that.
Please like, share, and subscribe.